Last right.
ಸುಸ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಾ ಇಷ್ಟೇನಾಗಲ್ಲ.
Are coming and mainly infected are children. But
So
government
it is the sad thing, I think. I visited Jayanagara General Hospital. More than 15 members was admitted in the Jayanagara Hospital. Out of 15, 14, 10 patients are childs. One patient is 9 months old. So I think this is affect more children's only because they are staying in the home. That's why they are affected. I think government have to give for the testing free. They are charging 600, 800 rupees. So poor people cannot bear this amount. That's why I request the government, I demand the government, as usual in the COVID, government only give the money to the testing purpose. I demand for the dengue also, the government have to give the money to the testing purpose and the treatment purpose. So that is my demand. And the cleaning things also, fogging entire corporation areas, entire district areas, fogging also immediately they have to start. And every hospital there is a separate ward for the dengue people because the doctor can easily treat the dengue patients because the very sensitive disease, because the platelets will come down, the patient will die. That's why make a separate ward to the dengue patients. That's my demand to the government. Immediately they release the task force. You made it every district a task force. You do the task force. Make a one nodal officer, IAS, IPS officers, and immediately they have to go to the villages where the disease is more high. Immediately they have to start the treatment freely for the every patient. That's my demand.
being a LOP, you are visiting hospitals, you are looking at the situation, but looks like government is not thinking about it, and many from the rural places, the cases are increasing in rural areas.
I think government is sleeping. So I demand the health minister also, medical education minister also. They have to go to districts to give awareness to the people and the officers, doctors, nursing staff. We have to give the awareness and immediate treatment for the dengue patients.
And Zika and cholera cases are also.
That's also, cholera is now almost all 20 members already, they lost their life. I went to the in Tumkur also. 6 members, one village, 6 members for the drinking water, polluted drinking water. So I think once cholera is going all over the state. So more than 20, 30 people already they lost their life. And once again the dengue. That's a very, 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 very active disease. This is every day there's growing. So my demand is cholera and dengue and Zika. there's a more three diseases at a time. That's why the Karnataka government have to more alert, good treatment. The people of Karnataka expect this government good treatment. Please do something.